I just delivered your package and somebody stole it. Oh no.
A white federal agent was once dragged off a plane by mistake. The cop almost got fired. Now, a black federal agent gets pulled from the line for looking suspicious. Same mistake. Different skin color. Still think it's not about race.
You identified yourself as having a weapon on your person. You have identified yourself as the person we're looking for.
No, I did not. I told you that I legally can carry a firearm.
That's not the discussion.
You decided to say that I'm a man of color, which we all can see.
We're going to decide if you're a bad guy or not. That's not the question. The question is, are you the person we're looking for? You are obviously the person we're looking for. Now we need to deduce if you're a problem or not.
The person that you're looking for.
Sir, we're asking the questions, please.
We're not going to identify.
I do have a right to.
We get a call from dispatch.
Why you're harassing me?
We're not,
because that's what you're doing.
We can find out if you're good or bad or other.
My business.
So there's no reason for you to be smart with us.
I don't.
We're just doing our job,
sir. This guy right here is being an ass, sir. Everything
sir, there's no reason for you to curse for us.
No, I'm not cursing at you.
You want to talk about good guy, bad guy?
To you, sir.
You're trying to make us the bad guy for what?
No, you're trying to make me the bad guy.
We're saying you're the guy that has been identified. Now, whether you're good, bad, or other, that's a whole other conversation.
You have yet to let me know
who else is in this vicinity. You've said yourself.
I don't know, because
no one else is in this area.
You're harassing me, so we can't even say.
We are not harassing you, sir.
Sir, are you circling me?
Sir, please answer our questions.
I am, sir. You asked me if I had a weapon. I told you I do. I also told you that I am legally able to carry a weapon in an open carry state. It's just not.
Where is the weapon on your person?
The weapon is in my waistband.
Don't reach for anything, sir. I don't want any quick. I don't want any quick.
I do apologize.
Please don't do any quick moments. I'd hate to have this go another direction.
That I agree with. That I agree with.
You can understand some concern there.
But other than that,
show your ID. Watch your.
Oh, wait.
Okay.
Oh, come on.
I'm undercover right now.
Yeah, okay.
And you are doing.
You can't lock your back. Don't lock your fingers. You should not do this, right? Put your hands upside down. Spread your feet.
Okay. I'm an off-duty officer. I have my identification.
Okay. We're just going to check because we got to call your first aid police officer.
Oh, okay.
Have anything else on you?
No, sir. I have a taser in my vehicle. In my bag. I have my badge. But
Where's your ID?
My police ID, so I don't have a police ID on me.
Don't have a police ID.
No, I don't have a police ID yet. What's that badge say? You can.
Washingtonville?
I'll give you my chief's number. You can call and confirm that right now.
Have you been sworn in?
Yeah, no, I'm a sworn in chief's officer.
You don't have an ID?
No, they did. I've been bitching about this forever. I have my badge. I don't have an ID.
Do you have like your driver's license on you?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
Is it in the car?
Was that here?
Is it in this wallet?
Yes. And that's my old badge. From my old department.
What's the problem with the shoes?
Bro, get out of my face, man.
He's not in the face.
You guys check the shoes? Okay, you gotta take the shoes off. I'm gonna talk to
You
him.
have to check your shoes before
I'm gonna talk to him.
Then talk to me. I'm right here.
I'm gonna catch another charge with you, bro. I'm telling you, I'm gonna knock your ass straight out, bro.
Look at me.
I'm proud of you, I am.
I am right here.
Whatever size.
I have to check your shoes.
I didn't take my shit.
All right, have a seat, bro. Okay.
I should have knocked your ass out, no? No, you shouldn't.
What was the point of bringing the firearm today?
Because I'm on duty.
None of the other officers besides, and Sergeant Levette is on duty, or Sergeant Zamora is on duty as well?
Yes, sir.
None of the other officers here are on duty?
They are on duty.
They're not dressed in their uniform?
No, sir, they're not.
And they don't have their firearm?
No, sir, they don't.
But the difference is that you're being deposed today?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so they're here attending the deposition on duty, but they're not in uniform and they don't have their firearms?
No, sir, I don't believe they do.
Well, I mean, it's not I don't believe. We can see them with our own eyes, can't we? So again, I reiterate the question. Why is it you think it necessary to wear your uniform and have your firearm when you're on duty the same way those three are on duty?
Objection form, argumentative, attempting to intimidate the witness.
I don't have the firearm. I'm not the one intimidating.
Move to strike inappropriate comment of counsel.
Not inappropriate. I want to know why you felt it necessary to come despite our request with no response by any defense counsel to the contrary, that it would not be acceded to, that it would not respect our request, that you thought it necessary to wear a firearm.
Again, objection, asked and answered. If you want to take his deposition, please proceed.
Why are they not in uniform and you are?
Objection, argumentative, inappropriate. Do you want to cancel the deposition if you're
objection,
intimidated and want to cancel the deposition?
I'm disappointed at least. I'm apprehensive at worst, and I'm not the only one in this room that feels that way. And it would have been appropriate to give a heads up. I asked for it.
Let's call the judge.
I tried to call the judge.
Call him again. Let's put it on the record.
Yep.
We want the judge involved with a man who came, even though we requested him to be unarmed, when he's here with his fellow officers, and there's not a single person in this room that's a hazard to him in any way.
Hello, are you Holly?
Yeah.
I'm Officer Dodmar at the police department. I need to speak to you.
Okay.
Would you like to step out or us to step in?
Is everything okay?
And I'll talk to you once. So, your husband Joel filed a complaint with me, and that's what I need to speak to you about.
Okay.
Okay, I want to talk to you about what happened between you and Joel last night. I understand your rights. Are you okay to give me a statement?
I believe so.
Okay. All right, what happened between you and Joel last night? Because you come and filed a complaint, that's what I need to clear up.
I found out he had been spending a lot of money. I confronted him about it. I went into the bedroom to get away from him. He wouldn't leave me alone. So I got out of there and I went and I parked up at university for a while.
Okay.
By the time I got home, he was gone, and that's what I know.
Okay. So the reason I'm here is it was reported there was violence between you two. Some form of physical conflict.
Okay.
So, arguments happen, I understand that, but I'm trying to, there's been an accusation that you were physically violent with Joel.
Okay.
So that's why I'm asking you.
Nothing other than me getting out of his way. I don't really know.
Okay. Was Joel violent with you at any point last night? Has he ever been violent with you?
No.
Okay. And you and Joel have been married for 3 years, is that correct?
Not quite 3, about 2.5.
Somewhere around there, and you live together?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Sorry, I've never had something like this.
That's a domestic violence complaint. It's over here.
Okay. So what?
And he has visible injuries.
Okay.
So I'll just be honest with you. Joel's got red marks on his arm and scratches. They said
nothing other than him trying to stop me from getting out of the room.
Okay.
He wasn't trying to hurt me, but he also wouldn't let me leave. So the only thing I can imagine had happened is I had pushed him out of the way.
This would have been more than a push. He's on his arms got scratches.
Yeah, I kind of grabbed him, but
where you dug your nails in, I guess.